for quite some time. The Cape Coral Bridge will soon be undergoing renovations. The design phase of the project set to start as early as next year. The plan is to replace the westbound span of the bridge. Good evening, and I'm Jane Monreal.
I'm Patrick Nolan. Tonight, one woman is pushing, she says, for changes that'll make the bridge safer for you if you're walking across it or maybe biking across. Fox 4's Sandra Rodriguez with more on this plan. Sandra?
Well, nearly 38,000 cars drive over this bridge daily, and now with new construction on the horizon, pedestrian and bike advocate Carolyn Conant says it's time to make it safer for everyone.
And we don't have any bridges that have easy and safe access for bicyclists or pedestrians across the bridges.
Carolyn Conant, a bike and pedestrian advocate, will be going before the Cape Coral Transportation Committee next week. The purpose is to present design concepts for the upcoming Cape Coral Bridge construction on the westbound span, scheduled to be replaced in 2028. One of the proposed concepts is to replace both the westbound and eastbound bridge spans with one signature bridge.
For instance, we could take the old westbound span, to be old, and keep it instead of demolishing it, which saves money, and make it into a bike ped linear park.
Conan believes a bike ped linear park would bring in more tourism. Another design concept includes an overpass with stores and restaurants underneath.
I was simply trying to show that there are designs that can be done and are being done in other places to make parks, to create shops underneath the flyover.
But the overall goal is to help make it safer for pedestrians and cyclists and help relieve congestion that builds up around the Cape Coral Bridge.
You could just do a westbound span and it is what it is, and you'll still have traffic congestion and all those things, or you can look at more dynamic ideas that others are doing.
Conan's presentation will also discuss analyzing traffic congestion choke points as well as traffic flow from and to the Cape Coral Bridge. She says she hopes the committee takes into consideration her concepts during the designing phase. In Cape Coral, Sandra Rodriguez, Fox 4 in your corner.